have a house just off of First Street that actually wants us to come by and look at them for potentially helping out.
Okay.
So, great day, maybe walk.
Cool.
Her name's Pam.
Okay.
She's lived there for about 9 years.
Okay.
It's that yellow house with the white picket fence.
Oh, yes.
She actually works part-time in one of the shops downtown. This is a super unique property. It's smaller. It's only 1,300 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath.
Yep.
But it includes an adorable little cottage that's 400 square feet with a bathroom, kitchen, and a loft bedroom.
So would we list this as 1,700 square feet?
We would, and then we would divide it between the 2 buildings. Pam, she's super nervous because she feels like in this market, it's gonna be really hard to sell her house.
Oh, I love this vine over the arbor. I love this location. You can see the airport with the hot air balloons, the skydivers. So cute.
Yes.
I think this house is absolutely adorable.
So cute.
The white fence, the old cedar siding.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm Pam. Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
girls.
meet you. We just walked here. Can we come in?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Hi, Lindsay.
Hi,
Nice to
Lyndsay.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is my daughter, Isa.
Well, this is adorable.
Yes, I love all of the like old millwork and stuff.
Yeah,
you know.
like it's got character.
Do you know if you have hardwood floors under these?
No.
Home?
Who would know?
We can look. I don't want to rip it, but you have wood under there. I just can't tell if it's what kind of wood it is. So we'll have to look at that. That's awesome. Yeah. Let's go straight into the kitchen.
This is a cute kitchen. I can absolutely design around these cabinets.
Absolutely.
I mean, these aren't cabinets that I would want to replace.
I mean, that's huge for us because whenever we don't have to replace something, it's just more money back in your pocket.
Okay, let's look at the bathroom.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is cute.
Oh, it is.
I mean, it's not huge. You know, maybe some tile floors, tile surround in the shower
Yeah.
could add some value.
Would you like to see the main bedroom?
I would love to.
This way.
It's a really good size.
Somebody that's looking at that 1,300 square foot home, they're probably going to focus on the entertaining area and then probably their primary suite. So having a room this size is phenomenal. And we have a rental
I was
property.
like, I can't wait to see this cottage.
That's the cottage.
Oh,
So it really is completely separate.
Separate, completely separate.
Okay.
Has its own yard.
I think I would put my teenagers
Put the
in here.
teenagers in there.
And then that's the backyard.
Lock 'em
Or
in.
your mother-in-law.
Yeah,
The
oh,
mother.
yes.
It's the mother-in-law.
Love that.
Oh, wow.
So this is the cottage.
Oh, it's so cute.
It really is cute. So, I mean,
this is the kitchen.
Little kitchen.
Yes.
You still have, Leslie, like,
Enough room for frozen pizza?
Frozen pizza.
Yeah, you have to have enough room
all
for
you
a
need.
frozen pizza. Yeah.
It's
There's a lot of stickers there.
yeah, they're in all of them. That's
no.
funny. It's so cute.
Yeah.
I love it.
So this would be like your living and sleeping?
Sleeping is up in the loft.
It's a loft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, down here would be like living space.
What do you think this hole's for?
Well, somebody could hand you a hamburger if you're going
Oh, that's true. Yeah, from the kitchen. Like I could be like, hamburger, please. What I think it really is, Lindsay, is a built-in step.
Yeah.
Because look at the distance there. So
That actually
That
makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense.
So really, you have to. Yeah. You don't want to. Hey,
It'd be too big of an effort. To
listen, guys. You don't want to get off of First Street and stumble back up these stairs.
I don't think so.
Speaking of, I think this is not to code, is my
No.
guess, because you could definitely
roll
fit your whole
right
body.
through that.
Looks a little dangerous.
But other than that, Lou, we got 2 lights up here, outlets, and actually quite a bit of space.
The cottage has so much potential
Yeah.
that I get really excited about it.
I don't know, Lindsay, you can't go crazy because we're still in a very tight market, and if somebody's not gonna use it as a short-term rental, it's gonna be a full-time house, so you can't go too nuts. Stop your shaking. So with your home value currently at $550,000, we would completely redo the cottage, which I think we all agree.
Yes.
The kitchen in there is small, but there's actually room for a better cabinet layout and more shelving. I want to keep the whole space very clean, white, and open, including counters, a beautiful backsplash, and new LVP flooring throughout the entire house. We're gonna paint all the rooms, fabricate new safe railings and steps up to the loft bedroom, and completely redo the bathroom as well.
And then we would just do a few things inside the main home.
I do want to repaint everywhere inside, but because we don't know if the hardwoods can be saved, we're planning on replacing the carpet, keeping your other flooring, and of course, staging throughout. In the kitchen, we'll keep your cabinets, but replace the countertops and hardware. Then add a backsplash along the entire back wall. The biggest change will be in the bathroom, where we'll replace everything. I want to keep the era of the house, but with added touches that are more modern as well.
For us to be able to do that, we would have to invest $65,000, and we would have a list price of $675,000. That would leave us with $60,000 at the end to split 50-50.
Sounds good to me.
I say, you guys are the experts.
You're the experts.
So.
Yes.
All right, awesome. So we're removing the old shingles and getting ready for a new roof. Inside the main house, those nice kitchen cabinets are staying, but we're removing that laminate countertop so we can replace it with something that's more attractive and a better material. And the crew is tearing up those old carpets. And we're gonna find out if my prediction of what's underneath is actually true.
Are you kidding me right now?
I know.
I knew it!
I knew it.
It's a lot to get floors to come back after they've been beat up this much. Also, hardwoods, vinyl.
What's under there?
It's most likely hardwood floor
Exactly.
that's been glued and nailed and stapled into. What did we budget for carpet here?
$3,000.
So we would have to do these floors for under.
At Pam's house, the cottage, it's getting a new roof.
And the plumbers are reworking all the problem areas, including the cottage bathroom, which was a disaster. But good news is now the cottage is completely fixed. And in the main house bathroom, we've got a new P-trap, and all the electrical and water lines, they've been completely separated.
Things are looking up, no turning back. This road's going one way. I'm on the track.
It's a full dumpster.
Here we come.
Hey, Owen.
Yo,
Hey.
how's it
Oh,
going?
whoa. This looks awesome. So I'm here today alone, flying solo, because Leslie's showing some properties. I love this tile. What I like is that it looks like it's a good, like, glassed edged.
Yep.
Or
Yeah, it
etched.
looks like a glass tile, but it is a porcelain. Yeah.
What I'm going for here is a modern cottage. With this color, it's still Subway style.
Yep.
But with the glass, it feels a little more modern, like we're doing something new.
Great money spent. Doing a countertop, a new sink, and just the backsplash is gonna be a brand new kitchen.
Oh, it's
walking
gonna look
in.
totally different. How's everything else looking?
Good. Terry is knocking out our bathroom floor right now.
This looks awesome.
Yeah. And I know you're gonna ask me what's
Yeah.
going on here. We passed our electrical inspection today.
Okay, so that's
Yep,
why it's
so,
still open.
Yep, sheetrock's coming tomorrow. They're gonna come patch up both
Okay.
spaces.
Today at Pam's, the drywallers are mudding and taping in the cottage kitchen.
Meanwhile, in the main house, Terry is updating the tub surround with a large Subway tile. They're here! Awesome!
This is like Christmas.
I can't wait to see this. Did
you
you
ready?
bring the whole project?
We got it.
Stairs? Oh my gosh!
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
That looks gorgeous.
Wow. I am so excited. Gagnon's here, putting up the stairs. They look amazing.
Right there.
In a unit this small, every square foot matters.
Yeah.
You just saved me so much floor space.
Yeah.
Today, our painter Matt and his team are freshening up all of the rooms as well as the doors in the main house. In the cottage, Owen and the guys are finishing up the backsplash in the kitchen. And they are also installing LVP flooring throughout the entire space. In the main house, Matt's team came through for us on the kitchen cabinets, and they look a lot better than what Leslie and I could have ever done. We are about to show the house
Yeah.
to Pamela and Isa. I'm so excited.
So excited.
Hi, welcome back. I'm so nervous. Come on.
No, I am.
Okay, you're nervous. Okay, let's go inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, this is absolutely spectacular.
Wow.
Oh,
Come on in.
my heavens.
Wow.
This is gorgeous.
Charming. This is fantastic.
Oh, it looks like a beach cottage.
I was definitely
Stunning.
going for that like modern cottage
Yes.
feel.
It is
so
stunning.
we really didn't change that much. It was really just paint, new flooring.
Flooring.
And that was about it.
Love it.
Okay, do you want to move into the main bedroom?
Oh, wow. This is gorgeous.
Wow. The space is so well used. I love all the natural colors.
Okay, now your bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. This is so awesome.
This is so gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. I love the
look
flooring,
at the tile.
tub, the
And the
tile.
lighting.
It looks
my
so
goodness.
good. I feel like you can get everything done here
It's just
without feeling like you're
gorgeous.
gonna
Yes.
fall into the sink. It was kind of
Yes,
awkward
it's
before.
beautiful.
This is really gorgeous.
Okay, let's go into our kitchen. I can't wait to
Okay.
show you that kitchen.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Oh, it looks spectacular.
Stunning.
So
Oh my gosh.
stunning.
This is so beautiful.
Yes, it looks
The
so
whole
gorgeous.
thing, the countertops, the white.
The white
is so nice
nice
and bright. You
I
love the
love
white.
the backsplash. It's just
Amazing.
gorgeous.
New countertops,
Yeah.
backsplash, new
Love
knobs.
it.
Spectacular.
And then we got the nice deep sink.
Yes.
But we went with like that older style
Yes,
looking.
yes.
I like the one
big
big
t-
sink
Yep.
versus the two. You know, it's perfect.
Okay, I'm excited to show you guys the cottage. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Yay! Oh my gosh. Here
Okay, here we go.
Out here, we did repaint the entire building.
And this was the original door
Yes.
on the inside.
Charming.
We brought it back out.
Wow.
And we put a new
Great.
roof on it.
All right. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on in.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
Oh
Is
my
this
gosh.
amazing?
This is so amazing how you could create this. It feels huge in here too, like a
does.
huge
Oh my
apartment
gosh, look
type.
at it.
Like
Yeah.
you could just live here permanently.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely now a home.
It is a home,
Before it felt kind of
like a
dungeon.
dungeon.
And now it's really a home. And this is where we spent the majority, I would say, of the money, the renovation money. And my design in here was micro, wild, and free.
What do you think of those stairs?
I was just gonna say,
They're
oh my gosh, they look, I feel
Oh.
like they're way more sturdy.
Yes,
No one's gonna fall off those.
We had them custom made.
Wow, oh my gosh, you have to see
my
this,
gosh.
Mom.
It's almost
It's
like
unbelievable.
a lodge.
So much easier
Oh,
than
you
the
guys will
last
climb
one.
up to it. It's
Oh, yeah.
really nice. So one of the challenges before was, how do you get a full-size bed up there? How do you get a queen-size bed, mattress?
Probably a little bit more graceful if you had somebody else, but you get the point.
Yes.
And then
Yeah.
and then you can easily.
Easily have
Put things
bed
up
or
and down.
anything up
Yeah.
that you need to.
All right, come on up, kids.
This is beautiful.
You don't feel scared.
Oh,
Isn't it so pretty?
this is amazing.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Isn't it cute?
Coming up
This
for the
is
party.
adorable.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes, you can have a full bed in here.
Yeah.
Oh
Isn't
my
that
gosh.
cute?
It is so cute.
This is adorable. Oh my God.
Okay, then we just have the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, let's go see it.
Oh my heavens. This is It's
Oh
almost
my
like
gosh,
it's huge.
It's huge in here. And look at that full shower.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the tile is.
I just love it. I want to take a shower in here. It's so nice.
You originally had a value on your house of $550,000. So we put in $65,000, which actually turned to $75,000 because of our plumbing and electrical. There was a lot unforeseen there. We feel very confident at listing at $675,000. Once we get back that $75,000, it still leaves $50,000 for us to split $25,000, $25,000. How's that sound, T-Mom?
Sounds good.
Okay. We're gonna hit live at 9 a.m. tomorrow and start those private showings.
Go for it.
Well, hi.
Oh, hi, gals.
Are you wondering why we came down?
I'm thinking it's good news.
It is good news. We did get an offer on the house.
Oh my gosh.
Yay!
Really?
We were able to get an offer at $705.
Wow.
I know. So you were trying to sell it for $550. We listed it at $675, but we got an offer within
Oh my.
4 days.
Amazing.
So once we got back our investment, that still leaves $80,000 profit for us to split 50-50, $40,000 and $40,000.
Dynamite.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
We are so excited.